Yes, student. Now the question is changed. Balance following ionic equation which takes place in. Now the medium is changed. What? Basic medium. And again the method is changed. Oxidation number method. The equation is given when permanganate ion reacts with iodide ion, it forms manganese dioxide and I2 solid. So same thing is there. Very first apply what? Step number 1. What is our step number 1? To find oxidation number of all species. So you know in oxygen there is what? -2 state. Let Mn is denoted by X. So X, okay, -8 is equal to -1. So X is equal to +7. You can write here what? +7. Here again oxygen -2. Getting? So and Mn is given by X. So X minus 2 to the 4 is equal to 0. That is X is equal to +4. So write here what? +4. Okay. Now after doing so, you just erase it. No need to write it. Okay. What is our step number 2? Our step number 2 is to find oxidation and the reduction by observing the increase in oxidation number or decrease in oxidation number. So compare with the similar species, the Mn in reactant side and Mn in product side. Getting? Here Mn in reactant side it is +7, but now product side it is +4. So you do write oxidation number decreases by what? 3 per atom. By 3 per atom. Now being the oxidation number decreases, therefore this process is known as reduction. Okay. Second one, anion, compare it with iodine in product side. Student, anion, that is -1 charge, and if it is I2, that is molecular form, so you know that in molecular form the oxidation number is always what? 0. It is, I have given it in rules, okay, in the previous class. Now compare it, -1 converted into 0. So what we can write? Oxidation number increases by how many? -1 to 0 by what? 1 per atom. Remember, we have to write what? Per atom, because here number of atoms are 2, but here number of atom is only 1. Okay. So for 2 atoms, okay, what? 2 into 1 is equal to 2. That is the total increase is 2. Now being it is increases, therefore this is called what? Oxidation. Now our step number 3, what? Balance, okay, total what? Oxidation and what? Reduction. Oxidation takes place by how many? Oxidation takes place by 2. And the reduction takes place by how many? Reduction takes place by 3. So what to do? Okay, multiply by suitable number. Multiply by what? Suitable number. So what to do? 2 should multiply by 3, cross multiply, and 3 should multiply by 2. That will become 6, and this will become what? 6. And now rewrite equation by multiplying with this number, that is 3 and 2. So let me write equation again. The equation is become MnO4 anion plus I anion gives MnO2 plus I2. Here it is +7, it was a +4, it is -1, getting, this is what? 0. So what to do? Oxidation should multiply by 2. So which is getting oxidized? Anion is getting oxidized. Student, remember one thing, there is I2. Therefore first you have to write it with what? 2, and then multiply over all by what? 2. Getting? So that will become 2I anion. Again write here what? 2I anion. And now the reduction, which one is getting reduced? Mn is getting reduced. So this Mn is multiplied by, sorry, here it should be multiplied oxidation by 3. So write here 3. Similarly write here what? 3. And the reduction multiplied by 2. So write here what? 2. And write here what? 2. Getting? Now Mn is balanced. I is also balanced. 6, 3. Earlier it was what? 2. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6I. And here 3 into 2 is equal to 6I. Now to balance oxygen. To balance what? Oxygen. Here 4 oxygens are there. And here already how many oxygens are there? 4 oxygens. So need not to do anything. 2 4 ja 8 is there. 2 2 ja 4 is there. To balance oxygen, place water molecule. Water molecule. Student, how many oxygens are there? 2 into 4 8 oxygen. But here 2 2 ja 4 oxygen. So what to do? Place here 4 H2O. Getting? Now to balance hydrogen, place what? H cation. Okay, in deficient side. In deficient side. So how many H is there? 4 to 8. So what to do? In product side, that is this side, we have to add 8 H cation. Now the equation is balanced, but remember the equation takes place in basic medium. Okay, so the final step is to balance in basic medium, place what? OH anion. Okay, both side equal to number of H cation, equal to number of H cation. So student, how many number of H cations are there? 8 H cations are there. Therefore you have to place what? 8 number of what? OH anion. And similarly we have to add again here what? 8 number of OH anion in product side. Getting? So thus our equation is actually balanced, but we can go for one more step. Student, 8 H cation and 8 OH anion, when they will combine, they will form 8 number of water molecule, that is neutral molecule. And in the product side already there are how many water molecule? 4 molecules. So